DJT Stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I'm looking at Trump Media and technology stock, and Trump Media seems like it's going down today, around 4%. I know there's like a big hurricane coming today. I'm not very familiar with Florida and stuff, but like that doesn't mean that much on, like, doesn't put that much importance to this. It just kind of popped in my mind, but honestly speaking, all I'm waiting for again is, and all I'm sticking to, is a strategy that's previously given me thousands of quick predictions. That's what I'm using. And even in this case, it would only make sense for me to start to be short or whatever if the price gives me a decent double break. Without that double break, it's honestly not a clean short for me. And obviously the only time that I would move is with that. So obviously there is a chance, I mean, obviously it's okay if the price starts to pick up, then this is going to get diluted. But I'm telling you exactly what I'm sticking to. If you want to make more money by taking less trades, there is a free course. All reviews are 5 stars. I'll see you in the next one.